So, we have cam timed. We have cam gear timed. We have top dead center over on the other side. So everything's timed now. Everything looks good. Now, let's get to this decompression lever. I know there's a lot of questions about it and how to put it in. There's definitely not a lot of stuff on the internet about it. So, I'm going to show you guys. Okay, so you got your spring with your little hooks there. You want the curved hook, the 90 degree there, to hook into the bottom of the big side there, just like that. And then we're going to insert it straight up and down. You want the long piece to hook into there. And we're going to spin it 2 times. And then push it back down in. Make sure that feels decent. And then stick this back in there. Get that bolt started anyways, maybe if I can. And we're going to use a tool to finish tightening that up. And that sits right over the top of that, just like that. Once you tighten it up, and then once you tighten it up, you want to give this thing a couple flicks like that just to break it free. Or else sometimes they stick. Other than that, that's how you install the decompression lever.